Meet Jessica. Jessica is a content creator who's been hustling hard. She's got a blog that's packed with gems, an Instagram feed that makes you want to double tap all day, and she's even dipping her toes into YouTube. She's doing everything right. Or so she thought. But despite all the effort, the ROI? Well, that's a different story. Traffic? May. Engagement? Barely. Revenue? Nothing. Jessica was thinking, what's going wrong here? I'm putting in the work, but where's the payoff? Sound familiar? Well, don't worry. We've all been Jessica at some point. But here's the good news, you don't have to stay stuck. Today, we're going to unlock the secret sauce to content marketing ROI. Ready? Let's get started. Hey there. Welcome to the channel. If you're ready to stop guessing and start seeing explosive growth in your content marketing, then you're in the right place. We're about to dive into 10 steps that will help you boost your content marketing ROI like never before. Before we get started, don't forget to check the links in the description for all the tools and resources I'm about to mention. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and of course, share this video with your fellow creators so everyone can start reaping the benefits. Alright, let's get into it. Step 1. Know your audience like you know your best friend. You know how you can just look at your best friend and know exactly what they're thinking? That's the kind of relationship you need with your audience. I'm not talking about women aged 25 to 35, that's too vague. We're talking specifics here. What keeps them awake at night? What problem are they hoping your content can solve? The better you know your audience, the better your content will connect with them. You'll start creating stuff that resonates so well, that they'll be like, how did they read my mind? Trust me, when your audience feels seen, the ROI. Through the roof. Pro tip. Use tools like Metricool to dig deep into your audience's behavior on different platforms. You'll get insights that go beyond basic demographics and really tap into what makes them tick. Step 2. Set clear, measurable goals, no vague stuff. Okay, so here's the thing. Would you get in your car and start driving without knowing where you're going? Of course not. The same logic applies to content marketing. You've got to have clear, measurable goals. Not just I want more traffic. Nah, that's way too vague. Your goals need to be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Like, I want to increase website traffic by 20% in the next 3 months. Boom. Now we're talking. And how do you track these goals? Say hello to Content Studio. It keeps your content strategy aligned and helps you track everything in real time. Now, that's what I call setting yourself up for success. Step 3. Master SEO without losing your mind. Let's talk about SEO. I know, 3 letters that give so many people a headache. But listen, SEO doesn't have to be this mystical beast. It's pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. Mangools is your new best friend here. This tool makes keyword research easy. You don't have to go for the most competitive keywords either. Sometimes those niche, long-tail keywords can be the gold mine that brings in that targeted traffic you want. And don't forget about optimizing your content with Surfer SEO. It helps you hit all the right notes without sounding like a keyword stuffing robot from 2005. Step 4. Repurpose your content like a genius. Creating fresh content every day is exhausting, right? That's why repurposing is your secret weapon. Did you get a blog post that did well? Great. Turn it into an infographic, a podcast, or a quick TikTok video. Tools like Content Studio make this super easy. You can repurpose content across multiple platforms without breaking a sweat. The trick is to tweak the content just enough to suit each platform's vibe. It's like getting 5 outfits out of one killer piece of clothing, pure efficiency. Step 5, quality over quantity, always. Here's a big myth: more content equals better results. No. It's not about how much content you churn out, it's about how valuable that content is. Think about it, would you rather read 10 May blog posts or one that completely blows your mind? Your audience craves value. So give it to them. Take the time to create content that solves problems, sparks new ideas, and makes people go, "Wow, I never thought of it that way." Use Surfer SEO to make sure your content doesn't just sound good, it also ranks well in search engines. Best of both worlds, baby. Step 6, promote your content like a boss. Okay, you've created an amazing blog post, hit publish, and you're waiting for the magic to happen? That's not how it works. You've got to promote your content like crazy. Share it on social media, blast it to your email list, and even reach out to influencers or bloggers for backlinks. Tools like GetResponse can help automate your email marketing campaigns, making sure your content gets seen by the right eyes at the right time. Remember, content creation is just half the battle. Promotion? That's where the ROI magic happens. Step 7, measure, analyze, adjust, repeat. The only way to know if your strategy is working is to track the numbers. Are people engaging with your content? Are they converting? If not, why? This is where Metricool comes in. It'll show you detailed analytics across all your platforms. Use those insights to tweak your strategy and keep improving. The beauty of content marketing is that it's all about adjusting until you find what works best for you. Step 8, automate without losing your human touch. Automation can be a lifesaver, but you don't want to sound like a robot. The key is to automate the boring, repetitive tasks, like email sequences, and social media posting schedules, so you can focus on the human side of things, interacting with your audience. Tools like GetResponse and Content Studio can handle the automation while you stay connected with your audience in a real, authentic way. Step 9, collaborate and guest post. Collaboration is a great way to grow your audience fast. Guest posting on reputable blogs can bring in new traffic and backlinks that boost your SEO. But don't just post anywhere, pick blogs that align with your brand and audience. Likewise, invite guest writers to your platform. This will bring fresh perspectives and cross-pollinate your audience with theirs. Win-win. Step 10, keep learning, keep growing. The world of content marketing is always evolving. What worked last month might not work today. Stay sharp by following marketing blogs and podcasts and keeping up with industry trends. Tools like Mangools and Surfer are always updating to match the latest SEO trends, so make sure you're taking advantage of them. The more you know, the better you can optimize your content and, of course, boost that content marketing ROI. Closing scene. And that's it. 10 actionable steps to boost your content marketing ROI and see the growth you've worked so hard for. Remember, consistency is key. Keep creating, keep promoting, and most importantly, keep learning. Be sure to check out the tools I mentioned in the links below. Many of them offer free trials, so give them a try and see what works for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who could use some content marketing love. Thanks for watching and happy content creation.